Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of portfolio management, a key part of project management that helps organizations decide which projects to pursue and how to allocate resources effectively. Whether you're a project manager or just curious about how companies make strategic decisions, you're in the right place. Portfolio management is the process of overseeing a group of projects or programs as a whole. Unlike project management, which focuses on the details of a single project, portfolio management looks at all projects together. It helps decide which projects best align with the organization's overall goals, ensures resources are allocated wisely, and manages risks across the board. In short, it's about making sure the right projects are selected and run in a way that maximizes value for the company. Think of it this way. Project management is like focusing on a single car's performance, ensuring it runs smoothly, stays on schedule, and meets quality standards. Portfolio management, on the other hand, is like managing an entire fleet of cars. It's about deciding which cars to include in the fleet, balancing high-risk and low-risk vehicles, and making sure the fleet as a whole meets the company's strategic needs. Portfolio management typically follows a clear process. 1. Project identification. Gather all potential projects. Second, selection and prioritization. Evaluate each project based on factors like strategic fit, expected returns, and risk. 3. Resource allocation. Decide how to distribute time, money, and personnel among the projects. Fourth, monitoring and control. Keep track of each project's progress and adjust the portfolio as necessary to stay aligned with strategic goals. Let's bring this to life with a real-world example. Imagine you run a company that designs smart home products. Your team has proposed 3 projects: a new smart thermostat, an upgrade to your smart security camera, and a smart door lock. Market research shows a rising interest in energy-efficient home solutions, and your company's strategy is to become a leader in innovative, energy-saving products. Using portfolio management, you evaluate each project based on its alignment with this strategy, potential return on investment, and available resources. After a careful assessment, you decide to prioritize the smart thermostat project because it promises the greatest value and aligns perfectly with your strategic goals. This decision ensures that your company isn't just working on multiple projects, but on the right project that will help you succeed in the market. Effective portfolio management offers several benefits. Optimized resource allocation. It ensures that your time, money, and manpower are invested in projects with the best potential. Balanced risk. By evaluating the mix of projects, you can balance high-risk, high-reward projects with safer, steady performers. Strategic alignment. It makes sure every project supports the company's broader goals, so you're always moving in the right direction. To recap, portfolio management is all about managing a group of projects to ensure that your organization's strategic goals are met efficiently. It's the process of selecting, prioritizing, and monitoring projects to maximize value while managing risks effectively. Whether you're in a large corporation or a small startup, understanding portfolio management can help you make smarter decisions and drive your business forward,